Factor the polynomial completely. 3x squared minus 12x minus 15. Let's first start by noticing that there is a greatest common factor among the numbers 3, negative 12, and negative 15 of 3. So let's pull that greatest common factor of 3 out first. 3 times x squared gives the first term. 3 times a negative 4x gives the next term, negative 12x. And 3 times a negative 5 gives negative 15. Now let's continue to factor. We want to write this in completely factored form. And this trinomial, if it factors, is going to factor as two binomials. Our leading terms must be x and x to get a product of x squared. Now we need factors of negative 5. They're going to sum to negative 4, and those factors are a minus 5 and a plus 1. Quickly checking back our inner and outer products, negative 5x plus 1x gives the negative 4x middle term. So our completely factored form of 3x squared minus 12x minus 15 is 3 times x minus 5 times x plus 1.